What's up, everybody? Welcome to a new video. Today is going to be epically awesome because I'm going to be showing you guys free ways that you can get free graphics for your Redbubble stores that you can use for commercial purposes on Redbubble. All right. So who doesn't love free? I'm sure everybody loves free. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm going to be sharing different websites, and I'm also going to be sharing some different ideas. Now, the first place is a place called Creative Fabrica. Just go on Google, type in Creative. You know what? You guys don't even have to go on Google. I'll leave all the links in the description box for you guys can check them out. All the links will be there to all these resources. But Creative Fabrica is a website that has free classes, free graphics, free SVGs, free fonts, basically a lot of free stuff. And you could utilize these in your print-on-demand journey. You guys can see here they have tons and tons of stuff for free. Obviously, not all of these graphics are going to necessarily help you in your journey, and I wouldn't recommend you use all of them because you want to figure out like kind of what's your style of art and what would, something that you could essentially use to make your art look good. And that's kind of the benefits of using something that's paid, is because if you use something that's a paid platform, you can kind of search for what you want, you can kind of get what you want, but you still can't beat free. I mean, there's different use cases, of course. Here you have free fonts. Free fonts are always great because you can actually use these fonts for your designs, and you can upload them to Canva. You can upload them to GIMP, Adobe, whatever you like to use to create your designs, which pretty awesome. And when you switch it up with the fonts, a lot of people like that, and there's some really creative stuff here on Creative Fabrica. And so Creative Fabrica is going to be the number one option. Now, when I say number one option, I'm not saying it's better or worse than any other. I'm just saying it's one of the many options, right? I'm not naming one better than the other. All right, let's go ahead and move on to number two. Number two is Canva. Canva is one of my favorite. Now, by the way, guys, shout out to one of the viewers on the channel with the name of Maisma Dread. Maybe I pronounced it wrong, the name, I apologize, but they're the ones who told me about this method to create custom designs. It's called the Scamper Method. So Scamper Method, they told me to search it. I never heard of it before, but this is a perfect explanation as to like a visual, like an idea or a method as to how to create your own custom designs using these free graphics. The idea is you don't want to just copy and paste something like this. You want to change it up. You want to do something to it that will make it custom, that will make it yours. So use the Scamper method. S is for substitute, C is for combine, A is for adapt, M for modify, P means put to another use, and E eliminate, and R reverse the process. So the Scamper method is that method that, and it's just kind of a simply genius idea to just help you organize your thoughts. Maybe you're not sure exactly what to do. So A, you substitute. So you find the graphic, right? C, you combine. Maybe you combine it with other elements, other graphics. Then you adapt it to your own personal ideas. Then you modify, change colors, maybe change fonts, change things. And then P, put it to use, put it on Redbubble or whatever. E is eliminate, which I'm not really sure about the E part. Maybe you eliminate it out of your system by, uploading it. And then a new R for reverse the process for a new design. So if you're interested in that, just search Scamper Method. Shout out to, like I said, Maisma Dread. They're the ones who told me about the Scamper Method on the YouTube comments. By the way, they're always, that YouTube channel, Maisma Dread, they're always commenting on the channel. So shout out to them, and shout out to everybody else commenting. But this is kind of the idea. So, like, for example, on Canva, there are free graphics here, which makes website number two is Canva. If you guys create designs on Canva like I do, you can pick like a free graphic and you can like add stuff to it. So you can, let's say this t-shirt here, this design, you could search here like a scar maybe. Let's go ahead and search for a scar, like something like this. This is just an idea. I'm not saying that, that you have to do something like this. Maybe put it in the back, just make it look a little cooler. Maybe take this and push it to the front. Not really sure why this is not being edited. Maybe there's something up with Canva right now. But position, backward, yeah. Something's up with Canva right now. But you guys are getting the point, basically. of creating these kind of designs. Maybe I could just do this one more time. Let me search here for tiger. Okay, yeah, it keeps moving it to the back. It's okay. But you guys get the point, right? So you can grab different graphics on Canva, and the way you do that is you go over here to Elements, and you search for any kind of graphic that comes up. So, for example, I could go over here and search for an elf, right? And, you know, if I want to make like a pattern for the Christmas, like a Christmas pattern or something like that, and I can combine these things in different ways. And from what I do know, you are allowed to use these graphics because they are royalty free. So they get them. Canva gets these graphics and they partner up with other royalty-free websites. So, you know, depending on one of these websites that I mentioned, you might see the same graphics on these different platforms. So it's just a little idea to go ahead and do that. So that's number 2. Number 3 is a website, which is probably one of my favorite, called Vect Easy. So Vect Easy is... And by the way, I'll leave it in the link in the description as well. Great website. You know, comes with graphics, vectors, photos, and videos. So vector, I'll search for. Let's search for tiger again. Let's keep things similar here. Let's search for tiger, and you can see here all different types of graphics. Now, I'm gonna say I like Vect Easy the most out of all. Vect Easy is probably my favorite. Now, Vect Easy is the thing is it comes with a lot of free stuff, but it also comes with paid stuff. So, like for example, if I click on, I believe this is Pro, so it's paid, so I can't really touch it. But if it's for free, I can use it. Now, the cool thing is about if you do buy a subscription, it's obviously cheap, but since this is a video all about free stuff, then we'll just talk about free stuff for the time being. But a lot of cool resources. So you can go over here to the left and just click on free license when you search for something, and it will show everything that comes up for free. Now, with that being said, the free license on Vect Easy basically allows you up to 50 sales. So if you get up to 50 sales, that's when you have to essentially go buy a pro plan from them. That's what they allow. And, you know, overall, it's pretty big. I mean, you know, they're giving free stuff to the community. So we all love free stuff, free videos, free content, and free graphics that can help us with our journey. Now, I'm not saying that, you know, you're going to get as much value as the paid stuff, but you're still getting something, right? The next website is a website called Png Tree. Png Tree is also good. In my opinion, it's not as good as Vect Easy, but it's still good here. I could search for, let's search for tiger on Png Tree, and you can see here some really, really cool stuff on Png Tree. Like, I think this is pretty cool. I think this one is really, really cool. So you could do kind of cool stuff, and you just have to be a little bit creative thinking how you can incorporate this stuff with other stuff to make it a whole new design. Obviously, you don't want to just copy and paste the exact same design. Try to refer to the Scamper method. But the thing with Png Tree is that you can only download 2 per day, 2 graphics per day. So you want to choose wisely what graphics you're going to pick if you're going to go with the free one. Okay. The next one and the last one is a place called Creative Market, creativemarket.com. They have free stuff every week, new free stuff, and every week they reset. So you can take a total of 6 free I guess you could say free items, free files, free digital files. You can get fonts, you can get little images, you can get little Canva templates, cool stuff like that. So, you know, if this is something that interests you, hit up Creative Market. I personally don't use Creative Market. The other ones I've mentioned is more than enough. Even Canva is a ton. And really, guys, there's a ton of free resources out there. Now, I'll say this. I do have paid subscriptions to some of these platforms, but you know, you don't need to. You don't need to if you're a beginner and you know you're just starting. You don't need to. It's nothing crazy. Of course, you can create better stuff with the paid, but free will do just fine for most people, especially in the beginning. In fact, in the beginning, if I were you guys, I'd recommend you go with free because that's what I did in the beginning. You know, I never really paid for stuff in the beginning. When I was a beginning entrepreneur, I was scrappy. I had to figure out ways that I could just save money and do things as much as I can. So, you know, you want to spend money where it counts, obviously, but in terms of doing Redbubble now, guys, I'm getting to the point where it's going to become the new year real soon, and we're going to be fully dedicating ourselves to creating as many designs as possible for the new year. And when I say as many designs as possible, that's 60 per day, 1,800 designs per month. and hopefully we do it big this year and do really, really well. I mean, we had a great year this year with the Redbubble, got a ton of sales, but and that was as a beginner who wasn't really focused. I only started focusing until maybe like last month, where I started making these videos, and that's why I figured I'd make these videos. So, with that being said, obviously, since I'm taking it a lot more seriously, I'm gonna have to pay for the for this paid stuff, and I don't mind that. My other passive income side gigs kind of pay for that, so it's not a problem. But trust me, you guys are not really missing out going with the free stuff. Vect Easy, Png Tree, whatever this website is, Creative Fabrica, and you got Creative Market. They got your back. Even Canva. I mean, they got your back. These guys are awesome. Tons of content. These are just some graphics that I had laying around that I'm going to be using for my other shirts, but you guys know what I'm talking about here. Great stuff. I'll be leaving the link in the description to all these pieces of free, I guess you could say, graphic banks. That's really what they are. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll try to always answer people in the comments down below, and let me know. I'll try to hit me up, ask any questions. By the way, guys, speaking of free, I'm giving away a free Instagram course. It's coming out soon, and the purpose of it is to use Instagram for Redbubble. So I'm coming out with that course real soon. I've just been working on it behind the scenes, and obviously it takes some time. And we're also adding more content to the SEO Redbubble tagging / titling course. So if you guys are members of that course, the $35.99 course, you guys are awesome, and you guys are going to get rewarded. Trust me, we're adding more and more content. Like a new video we're coming out is how to find trending designs, which some people know about how to do and some people don't. So I'll come out with that soon on the course, but there's going to be more and more content on there. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Hopefully this video, guys, helped you out, and thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Bye.